Hey, aren't you gonna pick me up?
Why, hello, plastic.
Oh, great. It's paper. What are you doing here?
I guess you haven't heard the news. I'm the new face of Yard Waste Collection.
You? Why would Fairfax County choose paper over plastic? You are weak and ineffective.
I beg to differ, good sir. On the contrary, I am a 30-gallon bag, just like you. However, you were designed to be peeled off a roll and shoved into a box. I was designed to hold yard waste.
Is that right? Oh, but I'll bet you turn into pulpy mush when it rains, don't you?
Actually, I can withstand the elements just as well as you, and sharp sticks don't turn me into a lump of Swiss cheese, unlike other products. I'm also easier on your back.
Okay, so you're sturdy and strong, but what good are you if nobody can find you at the store?
Plastic, I think the petrochemicals have gone to your head. You know I can be found in the same aisle as you. My packaging is just more subtle. People need to look for me in bundled, neat, folded stacks.
But I'm cheaper and shinier than you. Gotcha.
Yes, you are shinier than me, plastic, and since you're not biodegradable, you will remain shiny for millions of years. I'm made from recycled material, and I disintegrate after my job is done. My sustainability is worth a few extra pennies.
Durable, available everywhere, sustainable. I see why people think you're so fantastic, paper. I guess I'll just go clean out the litter box. At least I'm wanted there.
Plastic, wait.
Yeah?
Quick selfie?
Sure.
Say paper rules.
Paper rules!
Choose paper over plastic. Fairfax County encourages the use of paper yard waste bags for collecting grass clippings, brush, and leaves. Because as you know, plastic is not fantastic.
Do not tag me in that.